For years, one or two brands have held a monopoly over our pockets, our studios, and our YouTube channels. We've been forced to accept overheating sensors, confusing menus, and vlogger cameras that feel more like plastic toys than professional tools. But something has shifted. Behind the closed doors of Nikon's engineering labs in Tokyo, a plan has been unfolding. A plan to reclaim the throne of the creator economy. Today, the wait is over. The rumors have solidified into a reality that is sending shockwaves through the industry. This is the Nikon Z30 II. And if you think this is just a minor refresh, you are about to be proven very, very wrong. If you're watching this, you're likely at a crossroads. Maybe your smartphone isn't cutting it anymore. Maybe your current camera shuts down just when the lighting gets perfect. Or maybe you're tired of the Sony look and want something with soul, with color science that actually looks like real life. The Nikon Z30 II is the answer to a question we've been asking for 3 years. What happens when a legendary optics company stops playing by the rules and starts building specifically for the next generation of storytellers? By the end of this deep dive, you'll see why this camera isn't just an upgrade. It's a declaration of war against every other mid-range mirrorless camera on the market. Let's start with the heart of the machine, the sensor. For the Z30 II, Nikon didn't just recycle an old APS-C chip. They've introduced a new XP7 Plus processing architecture paired with a stacked design sensor that we've never seen in this price bracket. What does that mean for you? It means rolling shutter is a thing of the past. It means when you whip the camera around to catch a fast-moving moment, the vertical lines stay straight. It means the 4K 60p footage isn't just high resolution. It's incredibly clean, even when the sun goes down and you're shooting in a dimly lit room or a neon-soaked street. But power is nothing without reliability. The biggest complaint about compact vlogging cameras has always been the heat. We've all seen that dreaded yellow temperature icon right in the middle of a perfect take. Nikon has reportedly redesigned the internal thermal path of the Z30 II using a new carbon fiber composite that acts as a giant heat sink. No fans, no noise, just hours of continuous recording. You can set this camera up for a 45-minute podcast or a long-form tutorial and never once worry about it cutting out. It's built to work as hard as you do. Now let's talk about the one thing that separates the amateurs from the professionals: autofocus. Nikon had a rocky start with mirrorless AF, but those days are dead and buried. The Z30 II utilizes a deep learning autofocus system pulled directly from the flagship Z9. It doesn't just find eyes. It recognizes humans, animals, birds, and even vehicles with a tenacity that borders on the supernatural. Whether you're walking and talking, or unboxing a product that you're holding up to the lens, the Z30 II locks on and refuses to let go. It's like having a professional focus puller living inside your camera. The design of the Z30 II tells a story of less is more. Nikon removed the electronic viewfinder to keep the profile slim, but they didn't sacrifice the grip. This is a camera that feels like it belongs in your hand. The ergonomics are legendary. Every button is exactly where your finger expects it to be. The rec button is large, prominent, and easy to find.